UMP is a global multidisciplinary engineering business offering innovative solutions to clients. Our capabilities include engineering design and fabrication, wear solutions, and industrial 3D printing. We partner with clients in key markets where engineering-based solutions create value across industries from mining and infrastructure to industry and military. UMP has 50 years experience in providing performance-engineered solutions to customers. Each day, our engineers work to solve our clients' biggest challenges, and we are honored to be their partner of choice. UMP has a long history of partnering with OEMs to develop and optimize products, as well as assisting with problem solving, further advancing our clients' IP and capabilities. Fabrication, testing, and complete assembly are done for clients in-house. UMP offers a range of wear linings for pipes, sheeting applications, and molding for the mining and materials handling industries. Our polyurethane moldings are produced in-house with extremely complex and high-precision tooling designed by our in-house engineering team. 3D printing enables us to produce prototype products or molds for prototypes to speed up product development and drastically reduce the costs of such development. 3D manufacturing in certain cases, 3D printing is a suitable alternative to expensive tooling on low-volume runs. The UMP ISO system is designed to accommodate clients' quality control requirements for data packs and traceability of raw materials used throughout the manufacturing process. In the cases where we manufacture machines, we conduct factory acceptance testing with clients as part of the final quality control process. UMP's engineering and fabrication division has grown to become a leading manufacturer of custom-built process equipment machines and assemblies for global OEMs. From our bases in the United States of America and South Africa, we have delivered projects throughout the world as we continue to expand. Visit our website www.ump.co.za to find contact details for the office near you.